I'm that nigga from Trabass. So yeah, today we have made a video for telling you some weird shit are going in our house. Like, me can't explain it, yo. Like, dope in here or something. The other day, I get a camera and I set it up in our kitchen and thing to catch all of them weird shit that we are going in our house. The ghost did a try rape me and thing, but I overcome it, you see it? Yeah man, I overcome it. He never do nothing. He still thugs.
What did he do?
Nothing, he never do nothing.
Do it again. Batty Ghost. Do it again. Let him afraid now, no?
So, I went to the kitchen, nothing happened. I don't know what he's talking about. I went in there, busted open and everything. The ghost, he tripping. Ooh, ghost, come here. I heard what you did to Andrew. I'm ready. I got champagne. Where are you? I'm ready. Come on. Hello? Ghost? Oh, gay ass ghost.
But yeah, if you know out there in the internet and can help us, please come pray for the house. Cause some weird shit are going in here and we don't know what are going.
It's alright.
Yeah.
You alone one, you alone one, you alone one, baby. You alone one, you alone one, you alone one, baby. Are you alone one? Are you alone one?